Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to this video, and today we are going to talk about how to use Facebook for affiliate marketing. So we're going to get to that any second right now. So let's cue the credits. So we are back with another video, and today we're going to talk about how to use affiliate marketing with Facebook, how to use Facebook with affiliate marketing. So I get it the right way around eventually. Okay, right, so I shot this short video for a group of my students. It's only 2 or 3 minutes long, so I want to make sure that you stick to the end because it's super important, okay? But if it is your first time being here, then please drop a subscribe, and also make sure that you put the little bell thing on, the notification thing. Now I can't hear it ringing, but it does actually notify you next time I get a video out. And of course, if this is of interest, then you're going to want to see more. Okay, so let me just give you a quick premise on how this works. So what you're going to make sure is that you are not spamming links to people, but also as well, if you put posts out there, then there's a cool way to actually make sure you maximize whether or not you can start conversations with these people, and then gently move towards actually putting something in front of them that they might want to go ahead and opt in for or buy. So without me rambling on anymore, here comes the video right now. Everybody, Paul Motley here, and this is a little bit of a bonus training. So if you are struggling to know who you can actually send messages out to people, then here's a little tip for you to do just that. So if you notice when you start posting on Facebook, for example, you've got the option to put it into your news feed, and it also onto what they call your story. Now, stories only last for 24 hours. So although what's going to go on your feed will be on there forever, a version of it will show up on stories as well, so people can actually see it on their mobiles. Now, why is that good? Because if you're posting consistently to your story, then a lot of your friends are actually going to go and see that. And what does that mean to you? Well, it's going to give you access to more people to actually go ahead and send messages out to if the post is relevant. So let's see, for example, I put this in here. Now I can click that button, and that is then going to add that to my story, but I don't want to show that right now because that's not what I'm doing. So if I go up to my notifications, hopefully it's still there. Here we go. After the 24 hours, it archives your stories, but you can get to go and see what you posted on your stories. Okay, so here's one that I posted a little while ago. Now 94 people actually saw that. So if we click on that, down the right hand side, well, let's just move that over there so you can see it easier. You can see all the people which actually saw the story. So I can then go ahead and click on each person's name, send them a message, open the conversation up about the fact that they saw my story, what did they think of it, and then you start progressing on to your conversation from there. So that's a simple little bonus video for you. So if you're not sure about where to find people to actively get involved and have a conversation about IM Academy, then this is a quick and easy way to do it. And there will be literally, if you do it right, there could be 50 to 100 people that see your story every single day. So if your posts are relative to what we're doing, then of course that makes more sense. So that is the end of this little bonus recording for you. So I hope that you use it and you use it wisely.